morning children. Welcome back. I am your Ami ma'am and today we will do session 2 of general awareness. Today I will teach you different phases of moon and what do astronomer and astronaut do. But before that we will revise yesterday's in the sky topic. And at the end, we will do an activity and solve the worksheet. Now, let's revise what we did yesterday. The sky looks different during a day and at night. See, this is the scene of daytime. Okay? You can see the sun, you can see the children playing, you can see a bird flying. Can you see the sky looks so bright during the daytime? Okay. Now this is the night scene. You can see the moon, the stars, an owl sitting on a tree. And see the sky looks so dark at night. Now these are the things we see in the sky. An aeroplane, birds flying, the sun, hot air balloon, the moon, the stars, the rainbow and helicopter. Now these are the different times of a day. This is the morning time. Can you see the sun rising and see the sky looks so bright. Okay, so this is the morning time. Then next comes the afternoon. See, the sun has gone up in the sky and see there is so much sun rays and so much light. So it is afternoon. Then this is the evening time. Can you see the sun sets? Okay, so this is the evening time. And this is the night time. See, can you see the moon and the stars? Okay. Now children, these are the activities we do during a day. See, this is the picture of wake up early. Then, this is the picture of brush your teeth in the morning. This is the picture of exercise. You do exercise in the morning. After that, you take a bath. You can have your breakfast. Then you get ready for school. Study at school. Eat lunch. Come home from school. Now, activities we do at night. Do homework and study. Play with toys. Watch television. Eat dinner. Brush your teeth after dinner. Listen to stories. Wear a night dress. Pray to God and sleep. Today in session 2, we will cover the following. Phases of moon, who are astronomer and astronaut. Now, phases of moon. There are 4 main phases of moon. First is crescent moon, then half moon, then gibbous moon, and then full moon. Now, this picture is of crescent moon. It is the phase of the moon when only a small arc-shaped section of the visible portion is illuminated by the sun. This is the picture of half moon, the phase of the moon when only half its illuminated surface is visible from the earth. This is the picture of gibbous moon. The face of the moon, in which its illuminated part is greater than a semicircle and less than a circle. This is the picture of full moon. The moon, when it appears as a complete circle, or it is also called Purnimaka Chandra. Now this is the picture of astronomer. An astronomer is a person who studies the sun, moon and stars. This is the picture of astronaut. An astronaut is a person who goes into the space in a spaceship. Now let's solve the worksheet. Now we will solve the worksheet. In this worksheet, you had to take the pictures of the things we see in the sky. Look at the first picture. It is a picture of an aeroplane. So see, I have ticked in the box. Next picture is of frying pan. Can we see frying pan in the sky? No. So I have not ticked. The third picture is of floor mat puzzle. Can we see in the sky? No. So I have not ticked. And the last picture is of sun. Yes, we can see sun in the sky. So I have ticked in the box. Now in this worksheet, we had to tick the pictures of the activities you do during a day. So the first picture is of wake up early. So I have done tick in the box. The next picture is a boy is praying at night time. So I have not ticked in the box. Then the third picture is the boy is hearing story from his grandfather at night. So I have not ticked. And the last picture is of children doing exercise. So exercise we do during a day. So I have ticked in the box. Now I will show you an activity. Today we will do an activity of day and night. Now I will stick this dark blue paper on this. Okay? Now, first we will do the daytime activity. Okay? See, this is Ivan house. Okay? We will stick the house. You apply some glue. And you stick here. Now, see, this is a tree. We will stick the tree, okay? We will stick the tree here. Now, children, what is this? Yes, it is a sun. Okay, now we will stick the sun. We will stick it here. Now, you can also see cloud during the daytime. Okay, so we will stick a cloud. now we will stick the compound wall. Okay, we will put some glue on both the sides. And in this way, we will stick it. So children, our daytime scene is ready. See, what can you see? You can see the house, you can see the tree, you can see the sun, and you can see the cloud, and you can see this blue sky. Now we will do the night time activity. Okay, so now see, this is a house. Okay, now we will stick here. Now we will stick a tree. Okay. Now children, what is this? Yes, it is moon. We see at night. Okay, so we will stick the moon. Now children, we also see stars twinkling at night. So we will stick few stars. Now we will stick a compound wall. Okay. Children, our night scene is also ready. Children, can you see the difference between the day scene and the night scene? See, you can see the blue color sky. At daytime, you can see the cloud, you can see the sun. While at night, you can see the sky dark, you can see the stars shining, and you can see the moon. I am sure you have enjoyed the activity and understood the topic. Bye-bye.